Okay, we're looking at Math Spiral Review 5. This is for Block 2. The reason we're looking at it on Friday is because we don't have school Monday. So having it a day early will give you an opportunity to have it pre-checked either Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. At first, you need to put at the top that it's due Friday, September 10th. That's next Friday, 1 week from today. Everyone should have written that at the top. And then let's look at the directions. This first set here under number sense says rounding. We're going to round the following numbers to the underlined place value. Okay, we know what it means to round. We've been working on that. Let's do the bottom one together. So we're going to round that to the nearest hundreds place because that's the underlined digit. Who can help me out here? I have my hundreds digit and I'm looking to the right. What do I need to do? I should see some hands. Everybody knows we've been doing this. We should all know what to do. If you can't see me, want to go sit in one of these notes you can. Okay, what should I do, Abby?
So the A is the, so you give, since A is higher than 5, you give the 0, 1, and the next two numbers in bold.
That's right. 5 or higher, add one more. 4, what is it? 4 or less, let it rest. 5 or more, raise the score. I like it. Okay, so then we need to put all of the digits that come before the rounded place. Okay, we need to decide if we're leaving this a 0 or making it a 1. We said it's a 1. And then we need to follow all the other digits need to be changed to a 0.
By the way, I came up with that for my third grade.
I know, that's what I was trying to remember. Okay, name the place value. So this is the place value. Here we have the value. This one asks us to round, and this asks us to name a digit. Okay, and then this asks us what is the relationship. Okay, we've spent a lot of time on that this week. Okay, so here in this first blank, go ahead and put the word place. Okay, then we have value, then we have rounding. And then we have name the digit and name the relationship. Okay? Okay, I'm on number sense. I'm on the front side of Math Spiral 5, and I'm down at the bottom of that column. Okay. Okay, I've asked you to move up closer if you can't see. Okay, so now we have adding and subtracting. You can highlight the symbols. Okay, then we have a model a division problem. Draw a model. You also need to remember to put an answer in the blank here. Here we have multiplication. Again, draw a model. Remember that X stands for groups of or rows of. So it's 8 groups of rows, not 2. Okay, turn this over. Okay, so on this we have our benchmark fraction 1/2. We know that a benchmark fraction is a fraction that we're familiar with, something that we can visualize. We know that half of 12 would be 6. So 6/12 and 1/2 are equal. Okay, so we use 1/2 to help us to determine, we use our benchmark to determine if these are greater than or less than the benchmark. Okay, here we need to come up with an equivalent fraction. Do we remember our equivalent fraction chant? I know you guys want to. All right, let's all do it together. Here we go. To find equivalent fractions, multiply or divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay, so let's look at this one together. Here we did 9 times 2 to get 18. So I need to multiply this numerator times 2. What is 3 times 2?
6.
6. So that one is 6/18. Okay, what number is 400,200 less than? So really, you just need to focus on the digits in the hundred thousands column and the hundreds column. Okay, name the shaded part of the model as a fraction and a decimal. That's a little bit tricky. Okay, it's a little tricky. Okay, answer the following questions about the 6. We need the place value, we need the value, and we want to know the digit that's underlined, or the 6. What is the relationship between the 2 6s and the number? Okay? It's just like the other side, but it's with a decimal. Okay, should we highlight this decimal so we remember that that's not the tens place? Okay, now this is another area and perimeter. Where should I draw the line to make this 2 rectangles? Where should I draw the line to make this 2 rectangles? What do you think, Lane?
Right here.
Yep, that's going to be the best place. Otherwise, I have to make it 3 rectangles. Now, here's something we need to know. We need to know how long is this line. In order to find the area of this and the area of this, actually, I can find it without knowing that. Actually, I have a length and a width right here, right? And a length and a width right here, right? Okay. How many sides should I add up for the perimeter? How many sides are there? 8. There's 8 sides. So when you add the perimeter, there should be 8 numbers. Okay, I still have people turning this in without using a ruler and without using their blue sheet. Yours is not in your clips, but it is in your blue math folder. Your red math folder. When you're using a straight edge to draw this, you need to hold that firm. If you let it slide around on you when you're drawing your lines won't be straight, and I won't think that you've used a straight edge. Yes, ma'am.
Why does it say high?
What does it say, what?
High.
High? H-I. It's line H-I. There's 2 lines. One is A-B and one is H-I. Hi. Okay. And then problem solving. The 4th graders danced during a 2-day marathon for Riley Children's Hospital. The 4th graders hoped to raise $750,000. On day 1, they raised $398,622. On day 2, they raised $379,873. How much money did the 4th graders raise during the 2-day marathon? Show your work. Don't forget the $sign. Did they reach their goal? Write yes or no in the blank. So you have to show your work down here. Okay? Are there questions? I'll give you 2 freebies, but it won't be the problem solving. Raise your hand if you want 2 freebies, if you have one that you think looks a little challenging. Who has one that looks a little challenging? Jameson?
Problem solving?
Okay, I just said I'm not going to do the problem solving. It's not even that hard. Come on. Carter Nelson. Okay, it's all just too easy. What do you got for me, Noah? Decimal one? Which decimal one? Down here? Which one? Place value, value, digit, or the relationship?
All of them. All of them.
You have to pick one. Which one? Decimal? Right here? Okay. Well, that's kind of a tricky one. Okay, so this is, what's this fraction? Deacon? 2/8, but what is it equal to? What's another way to say that fraction?
1/4.
Look at that. What's another way to say it, Deacon? 1/4. Now do you know the decimal? Now you should know the decimal. Okay? To come up with decimals, you either have to have fractions that are in tenths, fourths, or hundredths. Okay? Tenths, fourths, or hundredths to come up with decimals. Okay? We know the decimal for 1/4. You can go back to your spirals. We have had it on there multiple times. We've talked about that term. 1/4 is the same as 1/4. That's a hint. Okay, give me another one we need a freebie on. Who wants a freebie? Riley. Area and perimeter. You got to pick one. You can't pick them both. Area. Okay, so I like to label them rectangle A and rectangle B. To find the area of rectangle A, what do I need to do? What do I need to do? Olive? Right, that's our length and our width. So it's 12 times 3, which is what? 36. What do I need to do down here to find the area of rectangle B? Landon? 12 times 3, which is? Okay, 36. And to find the area of the whole thing, I need to add the two areas together. So it's 72 square feet. Okay, so these are due next Friday. You can turn it in as early as Tuesday for a pre-check. Okay?